Muyabana mono mwanju moliri on Ndizi TV andonse sobedani go chargire Chinsa Ikomi chabana maroba chinga kiri ko kware ne samangana itama ibina to ndako asangirulia kete ko ikabone yakuru chingongo nyejenze iri anyimo jasuguswamo nabosongo no kuboli kwane na gwa kirambi ya karanda ta korigeria Ndizi TV ne robo ansumugusi bonira chinga kichao chabenura manyana na lende gwate kaimena isko ya Gusii inyurana Nabagana utupote sensemo yemitandao Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News Digital wega sensemo ya YouTube nabago tonyora Ndizi TV News wega chingaki nabago to tweet at Ndizi TV News wega kerengali kiao kerogeto megwetera se namba erase screen igorab na manga ndata korekana imena isko ya Gusii anena se bunge eliya Senate liberali tini wega ndata kwene kiworo anene kero umo speaker osomonogeli we bunge yo atara beka tene ni usebene igoro ya obonchoreli boli asimio nyandeke gotoma gose abaten ba asimio se ebunge eyo ayunga tiyari anta korakana imena isko ya Gusii no chikanyore kero ibiro bindi bikire kurenda yankwariganeti na mange yokabamo na nche Ikomi Joshua uta nerora sense merio munwe manyerero ekera bigari nyanja matukubatana nera ine kiona chibijana mario gya kirasore bya kirasore asenjera ya bene na ingoko yaretera Brighton Makori. County ya Kisii ni gegendete gusangirire birengerero kurwa sabamenyi be county yanene alibaganeti bakorerwa cyasa matuko alibosia sensemo y'abamenyi kurwa sensemo ya Mosojo eyere bunge ya Kituja South abadeneri be county mbaika senseme yo asebona abamenyi banyara bakurwe birengerero byabo nako kerege tambogere ikyo serikali ya county ya Kisii yedenene no mugabana Paulo Simbarati yairire egusangire birengerero alibaganeti bakorerwe asebinyoro byabo usazinseme yo bakurwe dore ngo abamenyi abanyara bakwana anekero baika senseme yo nakurwe birengerero byabo
Tangoro kumwaka Wilfred kurwa sekinyoro keriani Maria Gokabo lere na chaso mukutano yore ngase SME ya Mosojo mukutano public participation gocha koene kinga amagendra gocha korekana in the next 5 years tuanya gambira muna bananchi elinde to make sure ngakende ebintu to ko priority ebintu biri tete muna bananchi ente tangana lingi wakero mugabano to Simbarati kumwakera mbiyamano ase ko make sure nga igente gekoro kunga public participation kiachira so mwananchi erindo mwananchi anyora anyare gochora magendrali agocha gokore entwaro chimuna chi previous regime nichaita abante baga umeranira ali ase baga umeranire botuko bakora ebintu byabo bakwachi priority batarenge kuzisha mwananchi ekendo mugabano ito take initiative eyu ororenga omwananchi aiwe kipaumbele asoko tebankie keriata ete akorwo kitangani egento kende yakabere no wakera abo kusaba ito bachichaga igotokora public participation ndoche mbya banyagendeti nande ongera asimole mogendere negasi ento kende kya gatatu no wakera abananchi nga biyamono asugoche emorogerio yo public participation ndoche bono twa egento public participation egento kerase kere a constitution right yo mwananchi ande ndoche abananchi baimokire elinda magendera nyareko kubwatansa se county ya Kisii
Obuya mborororo hekero kwenda goikase nyagitali eri kwarengwa na kumanyamburo ireki orwarete yuniga kwanwa no murugibo mugabana we county ya Nyamira emiri nyaribo hekero bono aja kyumuroberi bene bwaba nto banyamira korengo burwere bwa kansa asumuroberi uchakiwa sensemeri yekerenyo kwana ni bona segetire na kubuli abamenyi be county ya Nyamira gwesoke na kolengwa aneno burwere bwa kansa elio nalibaranyoro bobweni bwabwanga hekero montato kirika watu burwere bwa kansa
of screening new methods of treatment. And also, as you go around with your duties, use your mouth. Today, I am wearing a scrub. I am not a doctor. This is courtesy of Matibabu Foundation. And the scrub that we wear today as first spouses is for us to add our voice to the rest of the healthcare workers that we need to get screened, and cervical cancer has to be caught early, and it is possible for us to stop cervical cancer. So therefore, Matibabu Foundation, thank you so much. The acronym on the scrub that I'm wearing is woman, meaning word of mouth advocacy network.
Ekero togosuka bosioni gobone ya mateye Makori ase wodi ya nyacheke gotoka zebunge ya bubasi ase kinyoro kya Nyamira nigobono egusaba bokonyi korwa saba Samaria baya eriko bachi bese nekero bono uyo mwabanyarite kagosira nande nigara ase nyagitari gosare mojeri ekero chibese chitakire 1.8 million ose milione ya mochi nguta isano na isato kulingana na mateye nigobono ya teruna nigobono basinyire komo ino uyo mwabo korwa komurusia ase mojeri kulingana ni chibese nyinge chitakire bono nigo basabire abasamaria baya wesokia na kubakonya chibese ejo elinde banyare bagugenderia miroberio yokomwenia oyo mwabo
muro minto orarwarire amatuka amange twetire chinyagitari chinyinge twetananire twarosira mwari otumukire chinyagitari twetire una mamarusi twetire nyagitari ku Nairobi West pako jire gusirira Coptic Hospital Nairobi ase pirie nene mono yarenge chi milioni 2.3 twetananire bairi abasani twanyorire chibasa chiri chinke so uwezo ya abantu bagatokonya twanyorire elibumia sita jokana jitwakanire chindi cha sinyire
umwana uyu minto berire uruwari amatuka mange nanu mna ruwari amatuka mange family yiga ise na mama mwa bakwete mbayo abana bamwe barororo bari kwinyara abayi twatemire goita asabasani ase gwapi nono mwemisi otemire kutubwatesia nduraikira kindi yonse
ababwatani aho nigobono baboriwe wesoke na kubeke miroberio yogokora agosara umwana umunyaruka sorongo rwa Gusii igona gukora gisegi cha nyumba yani gakwanwa aritko rero kare kyombeke makamedena siko mugyaja ko muroberio ubukurwania gosarwa kwa bana banyaruka na gukora gisegi asichinga kulingana no musubati uyu nyaraka ukwana nigateruna ebikoro ebyo nigo bigenderete ko twara ogoba asorongo rwa Gusii ebyo yanakirwe koba ebyo bosoku ekero Chinsa chinde gosebisa kubinde byatigire bikorwa ebyo
Tena nimekuja Kisii County as the gender focal person in Kisii County. I'm working with Stella. Nawaambia kwa shirika la SICOM, thank you very much for enlightening our community that we should end violence against girls and young boys. Hii gender-based violence is not something for one person. Lazima tukue multi-sectoral ndio tuweze kumaliza hii mambo ya gender-based violence.
Ase jinga jejo obino nyambane nere niganyarire gakoru eliogiria ya satebruna bono nigebeterete mu Gusii amanyenga yobokong gosenga yembra ya jagete komotwera elio naritora koro mochando bogosara bana banyaruka boigona gukora gisegi chegenga obino oyorenga somo yigo yini gateruna chinchere gise komanywa inki obokong obwo gosenga yobokong obwo ajakerete igo ebikoro ebino birese gukorwa asorongo rwa Gusii.
We are treating a disease here. Ajira. Sika. We are treating. Yani we are looking for ways of treating. Edi ogo toko ligia asinge nchobo ruwede bokareteki. Ura. Tuebolirie. Inki kiare tobo ruweiro. Are we asking ourselves the origin of GBV? Not just FGM or anything people. Because I understand GBV as we are talking in our environment as abantu bamintu mwanyagetinga Gusii igeichire angekere nyumba. It is almost everywhere. Some of us are pretending that we are not seeing it. Where is the origin of this? I will give you an answer. Just look at me. The answer is you. We are not structured in the form that a human being is supposed to be. Enjira nere mentorship yari gokorwa yarenda chimbago oyotago kolero yeke omogusi akagetumbase emegiro mwabwatire mwanyerutire kuchimbago mwatebire n'abasomo. This is what is eating.
Ekero yarorekane bune serikali nerengete komente nengo gosechibesiria borokiwa bakorwa jase university Nigobono aboroki wa banyarire bagwesoke na kumoche serikali asibono baderuna ubogimani gobogendete gokonga aboigo komentera abaibori school fees eri Wakanas University nigera chikobabero mosigo monebono nigoba muborio mugwasiri wegisemye sekeri majogu kuriringana erio ikyagera nigera chikobo mosigo morito gochasa abaibori amo na aboroki gwabo ekero barenda school abao anase school university imiyense ya Kenya.
Want to lower the quality of education, that is how it starts. We did not give the Ministry of Education through Machogu a chance to exploit comrades or to exploit parents, but we gave them a chance so that we can ensure that the comrades fraternity welfares are running in accordance with the laws and in accordance on how they want it.
Power. You know, those people who are going to, those lecturers, those VCs, they are not paying fee. We are the one who are paying fee, and we know the burden of our parents. And we want to tell this government, you can joke with other people, you can joke with those your political age mates, your political colleagues, but you will never joke with the comrades.
For that, I want to echo this to the government of Kenya. Kindly, number one, increase the help loan, as you said during your campaigns. Number two, fund the universities, as you said earlier, so that students are able to get the jobs.
Aba musie Korwasi County ya Kajiado nigobono banyarire bako mmoja monogari webunge yo anenekera batebiruna monogari webunge yo oyore Korwasa omo bwa Kenya kwanza gosekia makia UDA nigo agwanjireria abande asiarakana bari bakorwasa omo bwa simiura moja nigo akobai atari kobaira buya igento ba soki na batabuna mbago juwanja sia secondary ase county yo ya Kajiado.
Ya speaker ni ofisi ya heshima na ni mtu ambaye anafaa kutuongoza kwa njia ya heshima na kwa usawa. Lakini ile mambo tumeona bado speaker ako katika siasa. Speaker saa hii hana tofauti na yule mbunge ama MCA ambaye amechaguliwa kwa chama ya UDA. Yeye ni kama sio speaker, ni kama ni MCA. Maana ameegemea side moja na side hiyo ni ya UDA.
Ikija ni mambo ya chama cha UDA, anaegemea upande wa UDA, wala sisi watu wa Azimio hatusikizwi katika bunge lile. Tuko hapa kukashifu mambo hayo ambayo haipendezi wananchi ambao tunaowakilisha mahali hapa. Tumekuja kuwakilisha wananchi na vita tumeacha nje. Mambo ya campaign tutakuja baada ya miaka 5.
Omugavana wa county ya Busia Baurotu omani gobona nyarire kobori chiserikali awakobeke meroberio eri kwenda kibuna nkolinda bare omwana omunyaruka amono musubati anene ekero agwetera ali amangana yakera omutinyika okwana sensemo ya Busia keraba bwatumuroberi bokoliringa gichinjara cyogosira abana basubati niga mochirie senate ekero yanyaretege komoja omo senator Mochore Giroli Roba ekero aigete ase senate yosebunge yo karenge njeragete kone nigateruna eri no roboti ari kwa kabuno omwana omunyaruka osomwana musubati natakeire kolendwa.
We have been told about it. I think there was a senator who was trying to bring this issue to the national attention. And you could see the reaction of the speaker at that time. And even those who spoke, they were now trying to give it a biblical angle. That when you are undergoing this normal menstrual period, that you are supposed to be isolated somewhere. But we are saying, when we talk about menstrual hygiene, we are trying to say that you can undergo menstruation in a hygienic manner and you don't need to be isolated or stigmatized in any manner. You can still carry out your functions. I think that's the essence of what we are speaking here. But you find, even at that high level, if I was myself, I would have made a completely different ruling. Because I knew very well that was trying to capture the attention.
Omurai bwense ya Kenya Dr. William Ruto nigobona nyarire ka ukwanira igoro na kiserikali yagendeta kubeke birengo uzagendeta kubeke meroberio kinie birengo bebochenu asense ya Kenya koranganere nigatebiruna kubwatikana gose ko karba kwaterna na ensemeri ya European Union nigobona na kiribuna obochenu bojigo kinie birengo bya asense ya Kenya nigaja kwana yali tukura lero ekaralinga somo yega o Kenya European Council Business Forum ase county ya Nairobi.
A year ago I engaged the European Business Council and shared my vision in terms of the business environment and the rules of the game. I expressed commitment with regard to institutionalization of our governance and sound institutional quality and the rule of law. I wish to confirm to you that I have made progress in implementing those undertakings to pursue solutions. The Kenya Revenue Authority, for example, is less arbitrary and more rational in executing its mandate, and now pursues alternative dispute resolution with a firm and fair focus on optimizing revenue collection and at the same time providing a customer-sensitive service to all taxpayers. The Inspector General of the National Police Service is now an accounting officer, which makes the police service true.
Ase chinga kijo homo ambassador korwa sensemeria European Union ni Herianet Gusii na nyaraka ukwanira alina barabara obereti gukora sense ya Kenya anene asogosira wajanu imeyense ya Kenya.
For the first time, the EU and its member states have brought companies from the European Union and Kenya together. In the coming 2 days, more than 700 people will discuss how to increase investment from the EU to Kenya, how to increase trade between the 27 EU member states and Kenya. And I thank you, Mr. President, personally for coming and grace us this morning. And also for the government of Kenya's big commitment to this forum. With such a large presence, you're showing how important EU-Kenya relations are. Because Kenya is an increasingly important partner to the EU.
Ayuwano nararenga Chinsa Ikomi asenjera yoko ya juta kurinde nyona ge koragense ya moya wana marwaba no ikonyora yumo na mange asenjera yubo kireme karo jiko ya retaru na ifrinio sere karandete ko yaligani na bariki baendete ko ya beka mana ajiko ya sansa mana ge koragense ya mo ya wana no ko wakirambia mano karandete ko rio meroberi yetu ya Ndizi TV na robo nsoma usi aseka kirbosio ni gochukumerana na babantwaira za somorobiro chingero je antwailas rio ago ara kuira setenga keigo yongo swara sister Thomas como to moja como bwatia ekiagera enero Ndizi TV bwansoma usi asomorobiro entertainment eokomanya na kogosemia nero Ndizi TV bwansoma usi abugani nyanja manera twabotera nere kwene kuna maliogine chibi chago chira senjera ya bene ngina ko yaretera Brighton Makori.